Alright, this is Nick Daniel. I am recording a prototype for Gears, which is my game that I'm going to be building for my CIS 140 Intro to Game Design class. I've done my prototype in Minecraft, which is a sandbox game, and it's a game that I've been playing a lot lately, and it's kind of particularly suited to this type of thing. I do run a server for this, and I'm totally not plugging it at all by joining it. Anyway, what we have here is kind of this game world that I've built in Minecraft. Some of the game mechanics are pretty similar to what I'm trying to do with my game. Let's go ahead and kind of do a flyover of this area here. We'll explain this more in a minute. What you're looking at back here is kind of the scrapyard material gathering area, and this is the workshop here. And alright, we've got our pathway here. Just back here. Alright, so we're in the workshop. Got my nice little funky carpet here. Alright. This is where the player will spend a majority of their time. This is kind of where you refine the materials that you gather in the scrapyard area and turn them into the recipes to satisfy the deadlines. But we'll get to that. So over here you've got kind of your furnace area. You got the furnace here. Got some materials in the inventory here, but we'll get to that later as well. The furnace is used primarily to, it's fueled by some charcoal or coal, and this gives us a place to put something where it would end up as an end result here. We'll do that in a minute. We got kind of like an anvil area over here doing tempering stuff, a chest to kind of store items. This is the main kind of workshop area. This is where you kind of like bring everything together. If you click on this, you can see there's a 3x3 crafting grid right here. This is the default Minecraft crafting grid. You can put things together to make other things in here. In Gears, I believe I'm going to go ahead and expand this to either a 4x4 or a 5x5 grid, depending on what ends up being the puzzle aspect of the construction of the items. Over here we've got other stuff. This is supposed to be a machine that chops the lumber that you gather into like usable wood. There's not really anything in Minecraft to represent that, so I just kind of threw some stuff together. Over here is what I call the puncher, and that's where you make kind of your fastening type stuff, like rivets. You could make cogs, nails, that type of stuff is what you'll be doing here. I kind of wired this up so it'll actually do a little punching motion, which is kind of cool. Anyway, that's it. Well, this will be where you kind of keep blueprints, which are going to be recipes that will help you to build the things in the workbench here. And that is the workshop. Now, these are just some books. As we go, oh, glitching out on the door. Okay, now we're out in the back scrapyard area. This is kind of a simplified version of what there's going to be. I'm not sure if I want to have it just resource nodes like this, or if I want to actually have just like a bunch of junk laying around the back, and you kind of have to refine or like salvage parts. from the things. But anyway, this is in Minecraft. So in Minecraft, you got these blocks here, and you can, oh well, I'm in creative mode right now, so I can't really do what I wanted to. Fix our fence here. Do a simple command. Let's put us back to 0. Okay, this puts us in a mode where we can actually gather stuff. This is a coal node right here. So you mine that, and boom, you get a piece of coal. I can use that in my inventory. Down here, this is iron. You can mine that. You get a little iron block, which we'll use in a little bit. I'll go ahead and finish grabbing this node here. And, alright. Here we got a tree.